Connecting with your customers is easy with a custom local phone number. Get affordable local numbers and set them up in minutes with no setup fees or contracts from anywhere in the world. Having a local phone number allows you to connect with customers on a deeper level and is essential for businesses or individuals operating internationally. Setting it up is easier than you think. Select a phone number with the area code you want to target. Many providers offer a wide selection of local numbers. Once you have your local number, you can use it to make and receive calls through your chosen service provider's app or platform. Get a customized, cloud-based local telephone number for your personal or business from KrispCall. To get started with KrispCall and get a local phone number, first, create and log in to your account. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings, then click on Add New Number. Now, select the country where you want your local number to be based and choose Local as your phone number type. Choose a local number from the list below. After selecting a number, give it a name and add it to your cart. Submit the necessary documentation. To secure your local number, proceed to the final step of completing your purchase. With these simple steps, you'll have your very own local phone number ready to use. KrispCall makes the process of setting up a local number effortless, allowing you to connect with your customers like never before. Contact our chat support for more information.